So now that it's washed up, we can go ahead and fill it to the fill line, which is right here. And then we'll dump that in. And you can see the grooves on it, so it'll hold that heat in. And for the first test, we're going to go ahead and do it without margarine. And these haven't been used since I broke the last popcorn popper, so let's see how this goes. Now, it says to put it in for 2.5 to 3 minutes, so we're going to put it in there and put it on for 2 to start with, just to make sure, because this is also a lot more powerful microwave. Alright, let's see how well it turned out. Maybe I need to put it in for that extra 30 seconds to a minute. Alright, well, let's see how it turned out. Oh, that glass is hot. And it's sizzling. Hopefully this is anti-shatter. But there we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check to see how well this turned out, if I burnt any of them. And I might not have put it on for long enough. No, I overdid it. Yeah. But yet they were still trying to pop. See, I had a feeling that was going to happen. These are tough as can be. I wonder if it's some kernels. Here, let's let the kids have an audible tell. What do you guys think? I mean, it is dry popcorn. We're used to having stuff that comes out. Let's see how many kernels are left over.
I like it It's good, Daddy. Daddy, it's good.
Really?
Yeah.
It's tough.
No, it's good. Good. Come on.
Not very many kernels were left over. Alright, we're going to dump this into here. And we're going to give it another try. This time with some margarine. And we're going to try it for a little bit longer. I know it turned out tough, but maybe with the margarine it'll be alright. Well, let me rephrase that. We're not going to try it longer. We're going to try it for the 2.5 minutes first. Like, without restarting it. Because that might have had something to do with it. Does Margarine Girl want to get me some margarine out?
Yes.
Give it to your brother to hand me. Kids wanted to help make the video, especially since it's exciting and popcorn.
Yeah.
Alright, so it says to just put some up top here. I'm not sure if that's good enough. Alright. Let's throw this one in the microwave and see how it turns out. Alright, so we're going to put it on for 2.5 minutes this time. Alright, so we're going to dump this one in here. And then we're going to check out this one and see how the one with the butter margarine turned out. So I am very specific about which is which. And we're going to see how that went. Ow. Ooh. That's got like some burnt texture to it. Better? A little better, yeah. I mean, it's good to have natural popcorn, which is the point of this. And to not have, you know, that artificial saturated stuff. So having natural popcorn is going to have a different taste. But that stuff seemed a little more tough to me. But this is barely buttered. Like, this has a light texture. This I could eat. This isn't oversaturated, over salty. Try it some more, kids. I mean, there is a 3-quart version that I found, and that's going to take a little bit to cool off so we can wash it and see how that is. how well it comes clean. So if you want to make more, but I think for a personal, amount, on one person, maybe two-person thing, I think it's pretty decent. Is that already put? Yeah, so I can run down. But, I was able to make 2 of them, but once I added that butter, like, there's stuff all on the side. It's going to have to be cleaned. So I went and got some butter for this segment, and we're going to fill it just a little bit more because I did watch some other reviews after I did the last segments. I'll link them below for you. One of the guys was pretty funny. And they seemed to put a little more, and it actually filled up, kind of like I was wanting to do. So we're going to put that in there. And then we're going to put, I don't know, let's say that much real salted butter. So we get that salted, buttery flavor without having to add anything to it. And we're going to see how this turns out. Alright, that definitely filled it more this time. Let's go check it out. So here's how it turned out. Some of the pieces are a little bit darker, but I think that was maybe putting it in for 3 minutes with the real butter. The real butter did not leave as much of that, scummy graininess that the margarine did. That actually feels better, which, as you saw, the other one came clean, so that shouldn't be an issue. We do have a couple of tinged pieces, but for the most part, they're pretty good. Let's see how the kids like this one. This is real butter. Alright, well, if you want to get one, like I said, in the description, I will make a small commission, and YouTube has another video you're going to enjoy right here. See you next time.